Alberta's government is looking to the future. What we need to do differently and practices and good work we need to continue in order to protect Albertans and help us recover from these challenges. This is why Bruce Reith from the Hope Mission and Stephen Wiley from Mustard Seed have joined me today to announce additional resources to support Albertans experiencing homelessness during the COVID-19 pandemic. Since the beginning of this crisis, our top priority has always been to stop the spread and to protect public health. This is why my department, municipalities, and countless community organizations from across the province have been working diligently to help ensure the health and well-being of vulnerable Albertans, particularly those who are struggling with homelessness. At the beginning of this crisis, Alberta's government acted quickly to announce $25 million in emergency funding for homeless shelters and for community organizations. This critical support helped shelter operators to open isolation and care spaces, comply with public health orders for physical distancing, obtain PPE, adjust their service delivery, and ensure COVID-19 cleaning protocols could be met. Within days, shelter operators had activated an additional 14 shelter locations in Edmonton, Calgary, Red Deer, Lethbridge, Grand Prairie, Lac La Biche, Lloydminster, and Drayton Valley, ensuring people who needed emergency shelter had a safe place to stay. This funding was also critical to opening 8 isolation and care centres, making sure people who got sick and needed to safely self-isolate were able to do so. I am very thankful to our partners who worked tirelessly to provide these vital resources to Albertans in need. However, we need to keep in mind what Dr. Hinshaw has repeatedly said. COVID-19 is still with us. And it is likely that it'll be with us for many months to come. This means we must continue to take measures to protect ourselves and those around us. Our vulnerable populations are particularly high at risk. We must do everything we can to continue ensuring that they are protected. Today, I'm announcing that Alberta's government is providing an additional $48 million in emergency funding to homeless shelters and community organizations. This critical financial support will help ensure the important work of our partners can continue. This means isolation and care centres will continue to operate through winter and into next spring, making sure individuals with no fixed address can self-isolate if they are sick or waiting for test results and can receive medical care if they need it. Homeless shelters who are on the front line, making sure people have safe places to stay, will continue to be able to operate expanded shelter spaces while ensuring physical distancing requirements can be met. These organizations have been dedicated to providing everyone a warm, welcoming place to sleep, where they have access to vital supports and services throughout the day and night. We are confident that with this funding, shelters will be able to continue providing the compassionate care that all Albertans deserve. As we continue our plan to reopen and restart our province, we are committed to protecting vulnerable Albertans. We will continue to work with and support our trusted partners in civil society. By working together, we will overcome any challenges that come our way. I want to thank all the shelter workers and the frontline workers for their commitment and their dedication to helping those in need. To all frontline workers, I want to say to you that while many of us were sheltering in place, you were on the front line, making sure individuals with nowhere to go were protected and had a safe place to stay. For that, I offer a profound and heartfelt thank you.